guys, I'm AJ of YugaTech, and today we're going to check out Huawei's recently released mid-range smartphone, the Y9 2019. But before that, if you're new to this channel, be sure to drop a like, subscribe for more videos, and hit the red bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, come say hi in the comment section down below. So before I give you my initial impressions of this phone, let's first check out what's inside the retail box. So of course, we have the unit itself and this smaller white box containing the SIM ejector tool, the manuals, the warranty card, the jelly case, the micro USB cable, the charger, and the earphones. And now for my favorite part, unwrapping time. So at first glance, it kinda looks like the Honor 8X because of the similar notch. And also like the Nova 3i due to its build and curved design. It really has this very premium and glossy finish even if it's made of plastic. Holding it actually feels nice. It's not super light, it's kinda hefty and solid. Up front, it gets 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch. And the bezels on this phone are quite thick. The screen has good color reproduction and viewing angles. And like with other Huawei phones, you have the option to hide the notch if you want to. We have the power lock and volume buttons on the right side. They're clicky, firm, and doesn't rattle. Then we will find the triple card slot tray on the left. Down below, there's the 3.5mm audio port, the microphone, the speaker, and the micro USB port. Moving to the back, you get this really nice glossy back, which is a huge magnet for fingerprints and smudges. Oh well, at least we have this free jelly case. Here, you will also see the 16-megapixel f1.8 and 2-megapixel f2.4 AI dual rear cameras, as well as the fingerprint scanner. It also has face unlock for biometric security. So there's that. Both methods are snappy and respond smoothly. So this phone carries most of the Nova 3i's and the Honor 8X specs with Kirin 710 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage. It's also running on Android 8 Oreo skinned with EMUI. If you've ever used any recent Huawei devices, you'll also be getting the same feel and treatment with this phone. Battery-wise, we're getting a hefty 4000 mAh of battery, but with no support for fast charging. What do you guys think of the Huawei Y9 2019? Would you guys want to buy this phone? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, you know where the thumbs up button is. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. And visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is AJ and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!